be Laura Hackney, talking about cooking shows as a way to teach nutritious meals. Welcome, Laura.
I needed to unmute. I do have a couple of slides, and unfortunately I can't stay. I have class in 10 minutes, so I will get through this and look forward to listening to that recording. So what I have worked with on CTAHR is we started a cooking show, and that actually started from the pandemic. Students were given cooking items and foods, and so they requested, how do we use these foods? So we began a cooking show back in November. So November 2020 was our first show, and we've done one each month during the school year. And each month, students are provided an email to solicit the opportunity to join our virtual cooking show, because at the time it was virtual. We weren't able to come into campus. So at the time we did 30 kits, and we've maintained that 30 kit donation. We also had grab and go donations, and that came from a variety of donors. We've had the Buddhist Tzu Chi Foundation, Aloha Harvest, Cooperative Extension Agents from Waimanalo offered fresh vegetables and fruits. Go Farm has provided a lot of fresh options. The Newman Center, located right behind us, was also providing their canned goods and boxed goods that were non-perishables. So we had a mix of that. And then also this last school year, not the first year we did it, but this last school year, not including this fall, we actually had grant money left from a grant that Dr. Dobbs and Dr. Tichnell had started with the Chamber of Commerce Food Insecurity Project that they had begun with University of Hawaii, Manoa. Then we also had a RIO begun around that same time as the pandemic started, and it was the Coalition to Stop Campus Hunger. So I've spearheaded that group on campus, and we're still growing significantly, and we have some shifting to do to get it back into students' hands. And so that has been also part of the support for the food show. Each of the food shows were also recorded, available on YouTube. So I do have the link down below, and I don't need to get into that one, but it's definitely available on the CTAHR website. Some of the samples of the culinary styles that we have done have been Hawaiian. We did barbecue at the beginning of the school year. We've done Indian recipes. We've done Korean recipes, Japanese, Italian, and South American. So we've tried to really grab a multicultural, diverse cooking palette for students. Most everything can be, the ones that we've provided, the kits that we've provided have all been plant-based. And so that was, for one, it was easier to catch a multitude of students. Plus it was a cost restriction or a cost availability. So we could reduce our costs by keeping things plant-based. So we did that. Then the last thing I just want to share was the Coalition to Stop Campus Hunger. We've also partnered to do webinars, and the two that we did last school year was growing static hydroponic lettuce. So that taught students how they could actually grow lettuce in their dorm. And then we also did one in the spring that was how to grow microgreens, and that was again another option for students to do it right in their dorms. So we've really just hit the surface of what we want to do. We really want to get this to continue on, and we want to get it. It's supported by CTAHR, ASAO office, and all of those other sponsors that have really made a difference for us. So that's a quick and easy, simple way of sharing what we're doing. So I have enjoyed working with that group, and we look forward to expanding on and making it even bigger. So we're looking for that. I don't know if you want me to answer the question in the chat, Emily, at this point, or if you want me to.
If it's a quick question, I think we have a minute actually for one.
Okay. We have not hit younger age groups. It's open. We actually advertise to the staff, faculty, and we encourage, like, we've had alumni join us multiple times. So we are really trying to get the word out and trying to bring this opportunity out to anybody that's open to it. The links are completely open and free to have anybody join.
That's great. Thank you so much, Laura, for the work that you're doing. Campus hunger is an important issue as well, and kind of an unseen barrier, I think, to accessing education for a lot of young folks here in Hawaii and in other places. Thank you so much.